Today we've got two of the best mid-tier travel cards on the market today, the Citi Premier and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And if you've been trying to decide between these two, then this video should help you a lot. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. The battle between plastic and metal begins now. All right, first we are going to cover the welcome offers and annual fees for both cards as of February 2022. Then we'll go into both earning and redeeming points, followed by the card benefits, that is the short version. If you want to see the more in-depth dive and the details behind a lot of these benefits, I do individual card reviews as well, so check out those videos. After that, we'll go into the transfer partners, the insurance and protections, and then ultimately wrap up with which card is best and which one that you may want to apply for. So let's get right to it. First up are the welcome offers and annual fees. So I have the Chase Sapphire Preferred there on the left and the Citi Premier on the right, and we'll keep with that format as we go forward here. So both of them are going to offer you 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months of card membership. The approximate value for these offers is very different, as you can see on the screen. It's $750 plus for the Chase Sapphire Preferred and then $600 plus for the Citi Premier. That's because the points in both programs are very different, and we'll cover that coming up shortly here. And both cards also have a $95 annual fee. So between these two cards, the clear winner is the Chase Sapphire Preferred due to the higher value of that bonus for travel, and then we'll have the Citi Premier in second place. Now let's check out how these cards earn points in their different categories. So I put them both here on the screen, and they are color-coded for the overlapping categories, at least as close as they could possibly be. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred will earn 5 points per dollar on travel via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, and also double points per dollar on all other travel that is outside of Chase's portal. And the corresponding equivalents for the Citi Premier card will be flights and hotels only. So it will earn triple points in those two categories. Then dining/restaurants, the two banks call them different things for the category, but those are pretty much the same. There are both triple points there in orange. Then in green font, we have groceries. Chase will only give you triple points for online grocery. However, the Citi Premier will give you triple points also on supermarkets, but however you want. So if you go into the store and shop, that will still be valid on Citi's side. Then the Citi Premier will also award triple points at gas stations. They're in the pink maroon color, and the Chase Sapphire Preferred in purple gives you triple on select streaming services. Then both cards give you 1 point per dollar on all other purchases there at the bottom in gray. Now, since Chase points versus Citi points are not equal in all areas, the best way we can compare 3x to 3x or even 5x to 3x is to put them in their cashback equivalent terms if you were to earn points and redeem them for travel. So let's do that right now as we switch this over and look at the percent return for travel via the portal. On the Chase side, that gives us 6.25% return for travel via the portal, 3.75% on dining, online grocery, and select streaming, and then 2.5% back on all other travel, where the 1 point per dollar equals 1.25% cashback equivalent for travel. Jumping over to the Citi side, the 3x categories are all equal to a flat 3% return, and then 1 point per dollar and everything else equals 1% return. What this means is we have two first place winners, so it is a tie, but in completely separate categories here. So if you find yourself spending more of your money on travel and dining, then the Chase Sapphire Preferred will likely be the better card for you. However, if you spend more of your monthly budget on groceries and gas with no restrictions, especially if you don't have to do it online, then the Citi Premier card will be a much better fit for you. Now let's see the value that you can get when you redeem your points for different categories, and this will help you understand why you saw a different value for the same 3 point per dollar categories in terms of percent return on the past slide. So we've got three categories here if you redeem for travel via transfer partners, travel via the portal, that is the bank's online portal, and then cash back as a statement credit. So for the Chase Sapphire Preferred there in the middle of your screen, if you redeem your points for travel via transfer partners, you can expect an average value of about 1.8 cents each, so 10,000 points becomes worth $180. And if you saw my individual review on this card and other Chase cards like the Sapphire Reserve, you probably saw the average value in those videos at 2 cents each. So I've actually reduced my average value because I think that getting getting the full 2 cents per point or greater is pretty difficult for most people, so I'm being more conservative with this value here. But again, it is just an average. You may get more, you may get less, depending on the itinerary that you build. So with that said, the average value for a Citi ThankYou point via transfer partners is about 1.7 cents each, so 10,000 points is worth $170. Then for travel via the portals, Chase will give you 1.25 cents each. That's a guaranteed flat rate. So 10,000 points is worth $125. And then Citi gives you a flat guaranteed 1 cent per point, where 10,000 points are worth $100. Lastly, we have cashback as a statement credit, and they have equal value here. So 1 cent per point for this option. Therefore, 10,000 points will be worth $100 in your pocket in either program. So I'm giving the first place medal to the Chase Sapphire Preferred again here because of the overall value here is greater than Citi's. Their card benefits are definitely where things start to get quite interesting. Starting with the green row there at the top, both of them will issue you an annual hotel credit. The Chase Sapphire Preferred gives you $50 and is valid on hotels via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Then Citi's credit actually is up to $100, so basically double Chase, but there are some restrictions to be aware of here. It must be used on a single hotel stay, meaning one trip, and that stay must be $500 or more when you book it, excluding taxes and fees via the ThankYou portal. Moving down to the second row, in orange we have some hotel benefits. The Chase Sapphire Preferred gives you the Visa Signature Luxury Hotel Collection, whereas the Citi Premier gets you access to the MasterCard Luxury Hotels and Resorts program. They are extremely similar, but there are some small differences that I've highlighted there in the description directly below that in white font. Do be aware, however, that these are separate portals as well. This is through Visa's program or MasterCard's program respectively, so if you go through Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal or Citi's ThankYou portal, you won't get these benefits. So remember to book directly through the Visa or MasterCard portals to activate these benefits on your stay. Next up, we have the anniversary bonus in blue. The Chase Sapphire Preferred will give you a 10% bonus annually equal to 10% of the purchases you made in the prior year issued in points. And the Citi Premier actually gives you nothing there. Next up, in the light pink/maroon color, we have partner benefits. They both have DoorDash and Lyft in common. Chase then extends it further with Peloton, whereas the Citi card gives you HelloFresh, ShopRunner, and Fandango. These are also issued through MasterCard and Visa respectively here, so you can learn more about those through my individual card reviews or even digging into the terms and conditions in the fine print. Next, neither card will charge you foreign transaction fees, so if you use them outside of the US on your international trips, you're good to go there. And neither one will charge you for adding authorized users. Those authorized users do not have really any exclusive benefits. They do not get their own hotel credits or anything special like that. So I didn't list any special benefits there, but there is no charge to add them and have them use their cards, and you will get the points for their purchases. So for my result, it's again a tie here. Both will get first place, and it varies very widely. For example, if you stay at hotels often and spend $500 plus, well, then that $100 discount from the Citi Premier is quite nice. But for example, if you spend a lot of money on your Sapphire Preferred annually and you get that 10% bonus, you might find a lot of value in that. So it depends on how you use it, where you spend, how you travel, etc. So I can't say one objectively will be better than the other. Given that transfer partners tend to yield the highest average value for the airlines, especially on an international itinerary, in a premium cabin on a long-haul flight, here are the current lists of the partner airlines in each one of the programs respectively. The ones that overlap from one to the other I've highlighted in blue, so you can see that they do share a nice handful of them. And then the ones in white are unique to each program. Now, even though Citi's list is much longer than Chase's, that may or may not give you more value. It's up to where you want to go, when you want to go, which alliances each airline's within, and other factors as well. So for my result, I'm giving, again, 2 first place medals because it varies widely based on the itinerary that you build in terms of which program will give you more value at which time of the year. We've also got more transfer partners here with hotels and retail partners. So Chase will allow you to transfer to IHG Rewards, Marriott Bonvoy, and the World of Hyatt program. And the Citi program will allow you to transfer out to Choice Privileges and Wyndham Rewards, as well as Sears Shop Your Way. But I'd say overall here, the higher value programs, if you want to get to the more upscale / luxury properties, then my result will be first place medal for Chase, whereas Citi will get the second place medal here because Choice and Wyndham, if you look at their overall portfolios of their brands, the vast majority of it is dedicated to extended stay and budget hotels. That does not mean you can't get good value out of it. You can if you learn how to maximize the right way. But overall, the Chase partners here with Marriott especially, and even more so with Hyatt, that can lead to incredible redemptions, saving you potentially thousands of dollars on an individual trip. So Chase has to win that one. Let's now move into our last section here, the insurance and protections of each card. I put the categories that are listed on the far left column, and then what the cards offer in terms of their coverages in the columns that are next to it. So for the first 5 there, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, auto collision damage waiver, baggage delay, trip delay, travel and emergency assistance services, all the travel related ones there, Chase will give those to you. And I put the different little limits there as well. Citi actually cut all of those several years back. So unfortunately for a travel card, you don't get any travel protections with Citi right now. I would love to see them bring them back, but no guarantees on that currently. However, if you value protections on the retail side with purchase protection and extended warranty, both cards will issue some sort of coverage there. They do have different terms, of course, and coverage limits. So I've listed all that there. Terms do apply. There was no way for me to fit all of the actual fine print in font size 4 in this little chart here. So this is more of a general broad overview for you all. But clearly the easy winner here is going to be Chase because of all of the comprehensive benefits package that you get with this. So feel free to pause the screen to look at it longer if you want. Also check out their individual websites for the fine print if you really value digging into these. And now it is time to add up our final score here, adding up all of our first place medals versus our second place medals. It's a clear winner here. The Chase Sapphire Preferred gets 7 first place medals, where the Citi Premier gets 3, and then also 4 second place medals here. So the overall winner must be the Chase Sapphire Preferred. However, although the Sapphire Preferred may be the overall winner here, there are certain people out there who still may find greater value in the Citi Premier. So now let me go through a few examples here of which card will be the better fit for you. The Citi Premier card will be the better card for those of you looking for a single card covering many travel and at-home rewards categories. It's also the better fit for those of you looking for a more comprehensive international transfer partner list. That said, the Chase Sapphire Preferred will be better for those of you looking for greater overall rewards value for simple redemptions, especially via the portal, where you get the guaranteed flat 1.25 cent per point rate, which is a 25% greater value than Citi's portal. The Sapphire Preferred is also the better fit for you if you value those insurance and protections on the travel side. And that brings us to our final concluding question of which one should you get? Well, consider getting the Citi Premier card if you spend a lot on gas and grocery, want rewards that are great for travel and good for cash back, are willing to learn how to use transfer partners for a higher value, value Citi's transfer partners overall, and also don't need or want insurance and protections for travel. Then you might want to consider getting the Chase Sapphire Preferred if you spend broadly on travel and dining, want rewards that are excellent for travel and good for cash back, want better value for easy redemptions via the Chase portal, value Chase's transfer partner list more than Citi's, and if you want insurance and protections for travel. And as a final remark here, you might want to avoid both of these cards if you don't travel much, because these are traveler cards. If you prefer cashback rewards, because there are many out there with lower or no annual fees that may earn 3, 4, 5% cash back, and you don't have to worry about maximizing points at all. And lastly, if you are not willing to pay an annual fee, because these both do cost $95 each. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.